What's up, Soul Squad? Welcome to my kitchen. It is hump day. Guys, I'm going back 4 years ago. 4 years ago when I first made funnel cake on this channel. I told you I'm celebrating my 5 years on YouTube, going back, picking out some old recipes and reviving them. So, the funnel cake, let's do something sweet. And before we get started, guys, I have some strawberry compote on the stove, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make that. But in making this funnel cake, you need flour, eggs, baking powder, milk. What's up? Baking powder and milk and sugar. But to get started,
I want to get started.
You want to get started? Okay, come on. Sahara want to get started, y'all. To get started with my strawberry compote, I have some frozen strawberries. Yes, I have some strawberries on. Yes, we heated it. I had some strawberries on the stove.
We dip it in the yogurt.
We dip it in the yogurt. You say dip it. We dip it in the yogurt. Yes. So to get started on the compote, I had some frozen strawberries. I put them on the stove. I put about I'm gonna say, I like my stuff kind of sweet. I'm gonna say like a half a cup of sugar to this compote. And since they were frozen, I didn't add any water because they were frozen. So what I want to add now to this, because the sugar is diluted, I want the strawberries to get kind of soft and mushy, and we want it to get thick. And to make it get thick, we got to use some good old cornstarch and water as a thickener.
Cake for Jackson?
We make it so. No, today is Jackson's birthday, guys. Jackson's 15.
Wait, we don't eat it with him?
No, well, Jackson's at school, and we making him a spice cake.
What cake do you want to eat that?
He gonna make a spice cake. Can I put you down real quick if I cut my lemon and put my lemon in my strawberries? Okay. Okay. So, I got a lemon. Wait a minute. And I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice into my compote. I don't want to get no, I can't find my lemon squeeze, so I gotta get a new one. Ooh. Squeeze a half a lemon. Lay it on up in there. Because it gives it like that sweet and tart taste. And you want to do this first, because you want to have this ready. Because I'm telling you, I'm just mushing down the strawberries with my fork a little bit with my spoon. When these funnel cakes get done, honey, you want to have everything ready. Your whipped cream, your strawberry, your favorite toppings, whatever. So, we're going to let this cook down some more. About another 5 or 6 minutes. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of that cornstarch and water to make it get thick. And remember, once it gets thick, it's going to form almost like a jelly type situation going on here. You can have it kind of lumpy with the strawberries, or you can take it, just take a masher and mash strawberries up a little bit. But I'm going to let mine go down, cook down some more, add in the cornstarch. I like to have a couple of whole strawberries on my funnel cake. It's going to, yes, a whole strawberry. Yes. So I'm going to let this go for another 10 minutes. Come back. Put in the cornstarch and water, and we're gonna start on making. We're gonna start on making our funnel cake. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, you see my strawberry dessert? It's been cooking for a while, so I had some cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and some water, and I'm just gonna add that to that. This is gonna thicken this up, and I'm just gonna let this cook. Just gonna let it cook until it form like a gel thickness. And you see how it's starting to do that anyway? Look at that. It's gonna topple a funnel cake with some whipped cream. Oh my goodness. It's to die for. Nothing, I'm gonna say low calorie about this, people. This is that. I could cheat once a month, or cheat once a week, or treat myself. I'm feeling down the blues. It's raining outside. It's raining here in DC. Yeah. So, with that being said, I have my oil on for my funnel cake. I have my oil on now. I have like number 4, a medium high, because you want this to be really, really, really hot. So to get started with this, I'm not making a whole bunch. On my old video, it's like 3 cups of flour, 2 cups of milk. No, I'm only making just enough for this video because today is Jackson's birthday and we're gonna have spice cake. So right here, I got a cup and a half of all-purpose flour to this mixture right here. And also, I want to add in some baking powder. Do you hear me? Oh yeah, you all right? I want to add in some baking powder. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of baking powder to that. Sit to the side. Mix it up in here with my spoon.
More lemon.
Yes. Hey girl, don't you move this thing. I'm adding in my egg. I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 eggs because I got a cup and a half. And normally it's 3 eggs to 3 cups of flour. I'm just gonna add 2 eggs. I'm going in with 1/3 cup of sugar. Usually I use a half a cup. So you know.
Sugar.
Yes, sugar. There you go. And we're gonna go in with some milk. And this is my funnel cake batter. You know, making funnel cakes too, I have seen people use pancake mix, guys. I never use pancake mix, but they look good on the videos. I've seen people use it. They look good. No, girl. You had some milk earlier. And this is 1 cup of yeah. This is 1 cup of no, girl. I gotta talk to y'all and talk to her at the same time. Yes. This is milk. Ooh. Yeah, I need you to get out the kitchen. I want this a little bit thinner than that. So this is a whole cup of milk because normally I use 2 cups. My grease getting ready before I am, but that's okay. I want that grease hot. You messing with the light. Guys, we're gonna mix this up. I gotta get rid of this chick. And we'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back. I had to get it mixed up. It's like pancake mix. That's why I think some people do use pancake mix, because it's like pancake mix. Also, I got my plate that's going to sit on my pot. I have a parchment bag. I don't have no funnel cake kit or anything like that. I think it's much cheaper to use a sandwich bag or a parchment bag, because I be making, you know, stuff. And I'm going to pour in some of this batter into my measuring cup. My grease is ready. It's been ready. I got my scissors on hand. And this grease is hot the way I want it. So when it hit that grease, it'll be good. Y'all see, y'all, hey, it's grandchildren. It's raining like I don't know what here in DC. And I'm just pouring this into my bag just like this. Quick and easy clean up. I'm going to do just like this. And I'm going to cut the bottom. I'm right-handed. Ooh. And see how it started coming out? So son, I'm gonna move this out the way. My oil is hot. Let's make a funnel cake. And I'm gonna show you how I twist it and turn. So basically what I can do like this. It's no distinction. Look at that. I just go up and down. And make this funnel cake, y'all. See how hot that grease was? And that's how hot you want your grease. Because it cooks fast. Look at that. You don't need to go buy a funnel cake kit. You'll get it done in your home with a sandwich bag. Do what I did. Squirt it to the end. Put a hole in it. Make sure that grease is hot. So as soon as it hit that grease, it starts puffing. And it's cooking. And look at my strawberry compote. It's the way I want it. You see how thick it got? It's cooling down. I want my strawberries whole. Look how thick it got. Oh, tell me what you want. Hey, tell me what you need. You need some of this in your life. Yes, just let that cook. And when it starts getting golden brown around the edges, is when we're going to flip it. I'm making big funnel cakes. Okay, guys, see how it's getting brown? It's time to flip this baby. Grab your tongs Lift that boo. Tell me y'all not going to enjoy that. You say you're not going to enjoy that. That looks so amazing. We're going to get the whipped cream. We're going to get back. Because when this come out, it's going to be on the plate. And we're going to, I'm going to say decorate it. Well, we're going to fix it up. Guys, look at this funnel cake. It is out. It is ready. Now, my children said, Mom, don't put no whipped cream. So no whipped cream. I know what I was thinking. Take your powdered sugar. They got the powdered sugar, right? Yes, I'm using my hands. Hands been washed. And it's up to you on how much. That's enough. And top it with your favorite topping. Man, look at my strawberry coupe. Look how thick it is. See how jammy and thick it is? How I left some of the strawberries nice and whole. You can use this on top of ice cream. Let it cool down. Put it in a container. But we going in just in the center. Just like this. Let it drip drop of love all over the place. There y'all go. 4 years in. 4 years ago, I introduced y'all to my funnel cake. 5 years on YouTube, guys. To my next video, I got a mess to clean up and more funnel cakes to make and a spice cake to make for Jackson's birthday if they come from school. Like, share, subscribe. I love you guys. Don't forget the link is below for the flour. A lot more fun videos coming up with me and my family. Yeah.